You've survived 100% of your bad days. Think about that for a moment. Every disappointment, every setback, every rejection, every unexpected obstacle that made you question yourself, you made it through. There were days when you didn't know how things would work out, but somehow they did. There were moments when you wanted to quit, but you kept going anyway. That's not luck, that's resilience. The truth is, life isn't about avoiding difficult days. It's about becoming the kind of person who can overcome them. Every challenge you faced has given you experience. Every mistake has taught you something valuable. Every setback has been preparing you for a bigger opportunity. So don't let your past convince you that your future has already been decided. You are not defined by the obstacles you've faced. You're defined by your willingness to keep moving forward. Imagine where you could be 1 year from now if you stopped focusing on everything that's gone wrong and started focusing on what's still possible. Success doesn't belong to the people who never struggle. It belongs to the people who refuse to stay down. The next chapter of your life doesn't have to look anything like the last one. Sometimes, all it takes is one decision, one opportunity, one commitment to completely change your direction. That's exactly why I believe in entrepreneurship. Not because it's easy, but because it gives ordinary people the chance to build extraordinary futures. At TruPowur, you're not selling a product people don't need. You're helping residential and commercial customers reduce the cost of something they already use every single day: energy. While you're creating real value for others, you're also building an income that has the potential to grow month after month, year after year, through compounding residual commissions. Your past doesn't determine your future. Your next decision does. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day: energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com, and we'll see you on the inside.